North isn't just a walking or dancing robot like we often see on social media. North is designed for something far more important, doing real work in the real world with hands that can actually feel. First, she picks up a worn shirt and hangs it neatly on a hanger with both hands working simultaneously, balancing the shirt and inserting the hanger into the collar just like we do every morning without thinking. Second, once the shirt is neatly hung, North picks up a clothes steamer and begins ironing the shirt, moving from one section to the next in a systematic pattern, applying the hot steam precisely to the most wrinkled areas. Note these small details. She knows when to press harder, when to loosen her grip, and how to hold the steamer so it doesn't tilt too much. These aren't pre-programmed, rigid movements. They're adaptive abilities born of tactile sensation. One important thing, this video is played 6 to 10 times faster than its original speed, and it's still in teleoperation mode, meaning it's being remotely controlled by a human operator. This is the data training stage, not full autonomy. But this is where robots learn, and this is where true intelligence will be born.